In today's video, we're going to take this mediocre finish that I did about a year ago and make it into a beautiful, stunning piece that you don't want to miss out on having in your house. Here in this part of the video, you can look at the top left, you can see the splotchiness. That was probably from improper drying and ventilation in my last place I was in, so it dried incorrect, and I just cannot sell a piece looking like that. Here I start sanding the whole piece down back to the base layer. I start with a 60 grit again, and I'll switch up to 150 and eventually to 400 grit depending on where I'm at to make sure it feels like glass when you're touching the surface. All the sanding is finally done. You want to make sure you wipe down your project, remove any type of dust from it, so when you do paint, it gives a nice smooth finish. Today I'm going to use Behr's Timeless Blue paint color and give it that modern look, hopefully at the end here. what you see so far, don't be afraid to smack that like button and hit that subscribe button at the same time so you don't miss out on any future projects. And also leave a comment below on how you think this flip is going. At this point, I'm now wiping on a water-based stain and poly from Behr. It is the coffee color combo. It's really just going to give that nice dark contrast on that dark blue at the end here.